crafting family? It's your girl Madison from Maddie's collection, and welcome back to the channel. Today, all this craft from the crafting channel. So today is a very special thing. So it's a yarn haul of unboxing. So y'all, I actually got one yarn that I got on eBay because I'm doing it because I am working on a simple project for my loom knitting, if you guys have not know. So if you guys have not know my previous video, I loom knitted a cardigan, which it did turn out good, but I did make a few mistakes, all that kind of stuff, and I gave it to my niece, and apparently that cardigan is already messed up, ruined, all that kind of stuff. Then also October season is very coming soon. It is way too much and all that kind of stuff, and also it is Friday, August 30th. So this is a little video that I wanted to show you guys, but all that kind of stuff. Before we get into the yarn haul, I did make some cute Halloween earrings for the spooky season in 2 months. So the Halloween season, I made 2 Halloween earrings. The green and purple is for like the witch's bowl, the witches, and like the green is like the poison or all that kind of stuff. So this is a cute earrings, and they're really simple to make. So if you guys want me to do a little tutorial on making these earrings, leave comments below to me if you want me to do it, and I would do a community post on the channel, all that kind of stuff. And this is for like black and orange for Halloween colors as well. So they're cute. I'm gonna make more of these, like fall colors, Halloween colors, all that kind of stuff. But right now, those 2 are the only Halloween earrings I made, and they're cute and they're fancy. I really love making these earrings. I need to get more of more earring hooks, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so yeah, we are gonna open this and they tape this like crazy. So oh my gosh, they wrap in this cute little thing. So we got a cute band that I love. It's like easy, and I have this band too. So this is wool lion band yarn. Wool easy. And this is the basic Blamit cream, because this is for a project. So I figured out I want to loom the animals, so I found a video on an octopus, which I only made the legs. And this is a cute yarn. I love doing these yarn haul stuff, all that kind of stuff, and it's so simple. So yeah, I really love this band. I don't like bands like these, all that kind of stuff, and it is so soft and amazing, and it's simple. So you can get this on, I buy this on Hobby Lobby, Michael, or Joann's, or online, because I am broke and I am trying to make more stuff for my yarn. I have like yarn up here, I have yarn under my bed and in my closets, because y'all, it is hard to sell my yarn. So I I do have an eBay if you guys want to buy my yarn stuff, like my hats, earrings. I will be selling them, all that kind of stuff, and hopefully in the future I will hopefully do like a market prep. Hopefully next year or this year, I don't know, but it is weird and simple, and crazy. But yeah, this was like a short yarn haul, all that kind of stuff, and really simple. And if you guys want to get this lion band yarn, all that kind of stuff, and all the crazy things in this, and also I am coming back to crocheting. I did buy me 2 new crochet hooks because I don't know, my sister took my other crochet hooks and she don't know where she put them, so it's really weird. But y'all, it is, yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, this is a short yarn haul for me to show you guys. If you guys have not watched my previous videos or YouTube shorts, go check them out, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, make sure you sub to the channel and subscribe, show some love to me. And if you guys want me to do easy yarn project tutorials, leave comments below and tell me what video you want me to do, and I will do it, all that kind of stuff. If you guys want more yarn haul videos, leave comments below, tell me what you think, and crazy stuff. And I don't know what to name my channel. I might just, for my fans, for the crafting channel, I might just make it like my crafty buddies. But yeah, it's gonna be around 7-minute video is all it is, but it is crazy and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, but yeah, let's see how many subscribers we get this year on this channel, because I really want to grow this channel more, all that kind of stuff. Also, if you guys haven't, I don't know which categories for like crafting, I don't know, is it how to styles or entertainment, I don't know. Gaming, they have like categories on the YouTube, and I don't know what for the crafting is it how to styles? You guys tell me how to do it, what crafting in the category is, and I'll need to do it because I don't know what to do. But y'all, tell me which category is crafting, like for yarn tutorials or all that kind of stuff. And yeah, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, also check out my eBay page. I am posting more. I'm gonna post the 2 earrings I made to sell them on eBay. If you guys have not, I will post them on my Facebook page as well. If you guys haven't, follow my Facebook page, Maddie's Collection. It is simple and sweet and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, anyway guys, hope you have a lovely yarn-tastic day in the crafting world, and I will see you guys in the next crafting video. Bye guys.